Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Rosetta here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to achieve this soft plum eyeshadow look. I added one more eyeshadow palette to my kit and can't wait to show you guys my new palette. So if you're ready, let's quickly start the video. There is no rule to do your eyebrows, but it's always good to brush your eyebrows downwards so that you are able to see all the gaps at the top part of your eyebrow and then fill it. Once you're done with the top, brush the eyebrow upwards so that you are able to see the gaps at the bottom and then fill it. Once you're done filling in the gaps, brush it once again. And this is how you complete your eyebrow. So here is the new eyeshadow palette, and this is Nicka K Sugar Plum eyeshadow palette. This has beautiful plum shades, matte as well as shimmer shades. In my previous video, I did a half cut crease tutorial with another Nicka K palette and I loved that palette a lot. If you haven't watched that video, I will provide the link in the description box below, or you can click the I button above. Now taking the lighter shade, I'm going to apply this on my crease with a fluffy brush. I'm applying it to and fro on the crease and also in small circular motions. I'm adding color till I'm happy with the intensity. And once I'm done, I'm taking this darker shade and just dabbing it on the outer third of my eyelid. If you want to see all the shades and swatches of this palette, let me know in the comment section below so that I can film a video for the review of this palette. Next, I'm taking this shimmery shade and applying it on the 2/3 of my eyelid with the help of my finger. This is such a beautiful shimmer shade. It has multicolor pigments and it really looks so beautiful in person. Now with nothing in the brush, I'm just running it to and fro on the crease to blend everything so that there are no harsh lines. For the lower lash line, I'm picking up the darker shade and applying it on the outer third of my lower lash line. And then the shimmery shade on the 2/3 of the lower lash line. This shade is really beautiful and it is white shade, and this is also a shimmer shade which has beautiful pigments. It's very shiny and it's really great for highlighting the inner corner and the brow bones. Next, I'm picking up the Maybelline Kajal and applying it on the top lash line. Don't worry if the Kajal line is not perfect because we are going to smudge it anyway. So I'm just applying it close to the lash line and then applying black eyeshadow and smudging it. Now this step is completely optional. I did not want a defined eyeliner and I just wanted to keep the eye look really looking soft. So I'm doing this step. If you want, you can definitely go with an eyeliner. This technique helps to keep the eyeshadow looking really soft, and also it helps to define the eyes. I got this eyeshadow palette from Nicka, and if anyone would like to purchase, I will provide the link in the description box below. Applied light kajal and curling my lashes to prepare for the mascara which is coming up next. Applying mascara on your top and lower lashes helps to define your eyes. I love the purple pinkish shades of this palette a lot. They're really beautiful. I'm gonna apply my falsies off camera and I will be back to show you the final look. And here is the final look, guys. I really love the way it turned out. It looks really soft. It is simple to create yet elegant. I love this look. Let me know how you liked it. If you love watching my videos, please give me a thumbs up, guys. And if you ask me about this palette, I really love this palette a lot. It's super amazing and highly pigmented. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get updates about all my latest videos. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I have provided my socials in the description box below. Alright guys, that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all and I will see you soon with a brand new video. Bye guys!